No.
Not quite.
No. So then how will you enter the fairyland next week?
Hello, Aparna
But I
ma'am.
can do it.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, Aparna ma'am. How is your health?
Yeah, much better, thank you.
So what
So
are
I
we
was
doing
just
now, Aparna ma'am?
Yeah, so today,
fairyland.
Oh, wow, that's
so
great.
before making the fairyland, we are going to make the fairyland.
Fairyland.
Yeah, we are going to learn some magic. So
Wow.
let's start, okay? So what does the fairy do? What does the fairy have? She has a magic wand, right? And what does she do with that? She goes around doing magic. So today we are going to do a little bit of magic with colors, okay? So now I want all of you to mute yourselves and listen to me, okay? And whenever I say okay, have you understood? So you have to give me a thumbs up.
Mute.
Okay. Give me a thumbs up if you all are okay. Great. So let's start. So we take our pencils and our drawing books.
Ma'am, can I sharpen my pencil?
Okay, you can.
Ma'am, we'll take our pencils and what?
And take your drawing paper or your drawing book, and I'm going to show you what to do. Everybody ready? Just give me a thumbs up.
And everyone just pin Aparna ma'am's video so that you can see Aparna ma'am clearly. What is she doing?
I'm sharpening, that's why my pencil is a point.
Okay,
Great.
Musfira. Great.
Ma'am,
So come on. Yes.
we have to do like this or like this. Horizontal or vertical.
You can keep your books vertical, okay? Because we are going to make a flower here. We are going to make a leaf here, and we are going to make a like this, like this, vertical. So yeah,
This
straight.
is vertical.
Yes, that is vertical. Okay.
Okay. That's your ma'am.
Yes, Manha.
What are you making today? Ma'am, can you do it? Do your
That's nice.
paper little left.
Yes, yes, correct.
Aparna ma'am, can you see Manha's screen?
No, I can't see Mana.
Manha is showing you something.
Yes, Mana.
Alice.
Oh wow, that is beautiful, Mana. Did you do
I
it?
can make with my pen. Yes, I do.
Wow, beautiful, very nice. Now you can color it up also.
Like this.
Okay, everyone mute yourself quickly. Mute yourself.
Ma'am, we can make our own flowers and our leaves.
No,
Yes,
Mustafa.
you can.
First, see what
Okay.
is Aparna ma'am doing.
Yeah, so first see what I'm doing. Then if you want, you can change the shape of the flower. But we are going to make a flower, a leaf and a butterfly, okay? So let's do it quickly because we have to learn all the magic before entering the fairyland, right? So I'm going to make a circle. Can you see? And I'm going to make my flower like this. Okay?
Like this flower is very hard. Make be
hard.
nicely.
I thought this was the easiest. Yeah, see, you
It
just
is
have to
very
take
hard.
your pencil.
This one
Okay.
is hard.
How
Okay,
do you
let's
make a
make an
cloud?
easy one.
Umaima? Do you know how to make a cloud?
Yes.
So you
Yes,
can just
make one
draw
cloud.
as a cloud around your circle.
Okay.
Perfect. See, I'll make one more cloud here. But my cloud is going to be round, okay? Yes, Manha.
You
You
can't
cannot
see
see
Like
Aparna?
this.
Manha, you have to pin Aparna ma'am's video.
Like this, ma'am.
Show me
Yes,
Mustafa.
that was nice.
Wow.
Where is Mustafa? Just a moment.
I cannot send it. I can just send it.
Yes, Mustafa, show it to me. Yeah, that's a good one. That's nice. Okay. So, after making this flower, I'm going to make one stem. Long stem. And I'm going to make one leaf. So my leaf is going to be one semicircle like this and one semicircle like this.
And we have to draw.
Yes.
Yes, Manha, yes.
Okay.
Draw and show it to Aparna ma'am.
Ma'am, I made like this.
Who is speaking?
Musfira is speaking, ma'am.
Oh, that's nice, Musfira. That's nice. You can make a little bigger flower,
Ma'am,
okay?
like this. Okay. Like this.
Who is
Mustafa.
speaking?
Mustafa.
Yeah, just a moment, Mustafa.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
that's nice, Mustafa.
Nice.
Very nice. Very nice.
Ma'am.
Yes, Umayma, very nice. Go ahead.
Who else is done? Khatija is also showing, ma'am. Can you see Khatija's drawing?
Yes, very nice, Khatija. Good. Who else is showing me?
Zainab, are you done? Hashir, are you done?
Can we paint?
No, wait.
Wait.
Yes, we will color.
Yes, we'll color, but later on, Ali, later on.
I'm going to show you some magic tricks. So wait for me.
How do we make the leaf?
So leaf, you will make one line like this. Then you can make one semicircle like this and one semicircle like this.
Khatija, Zainab, quickly show me the drawing.
Yes.
Yes, Sumaima. Yes, perfect. Very nice.
Musfira, Sayyed.
One more flower we want to make.
No,
We
just
have
make
to make
one. Just one flower.
Okay. Ma'am.
Yes. Aparna ma'am, can you see Zainab's
Yes,
drawing?
Zainab, very nice. Very good, Zainab. All done?
No, ma'am.
Everybody? Okay.
Musfira Sayyed, are you done, Musfira? Ali and Musfira Sayyed. You're still done?
To make a leaf.
Pencil, with pencil, Musfira, with pencil. You have to draw with pencil.
ऐसी बनाने का ना ऐसी फ्लावर बनाने का
Aparna ma'am, Umar is showing you the drawing.
Yes, Umar, that's lovely. That's lovely. Yes. Yes, Mana. Yes, Mana, tell me.
Umayma, we'll wait for 1 more minute and we'll move ahead. Okay, Umayma? Ali, are you done? Show me your drawing, Ali.
Want to see? Okay. See, Mana, I made a circle like this. Okay, and then I made a cloud around it. Okay.
Yes, Musfira. Musfira,
Yes,
it's good.
Mumtaz.
have to make?
No, just make one flower is enough. Okay.
Yes,
Okay, so your
Musfira,
flower.
You made a two flowers.
Very good. Yes, very good. Very good.
Ali, very well. Ali, good.
Nice. I
Yeah.
saw
Yes, it was very nice, Musfira. It was very nice. Harshil, can you show it to us? Harshil, can you turn on your screen? Wow, Harshil, that's brilliant. Aparna ma'am, can you see Harshil's drawing?
I can't see Harshil. One second. I can't see him. Yes, I can see. That's lovely. Wow. I love the leaves. Beautiful.
I
Okay,
think
now we
Aparna
go
ma'am, most
ahead.
of them.
Everybody's ready?
Yeah. We can go ahead.
Okay. So now what we are going to do, we are going to take a yellow color.
Ma'am, this watercolor is okay.
Okay, you can use watercolor. Yes. So use the lemon yellow color.
This yellow.
Yes,
Lemon
Mustafa.
yellow.
Yes.
Lemon yellow.
Yes.
This poster color. This poster yellow
Yes.
color, ma'am.
Yes,
Right.
Mustafa, yes.
Poster yellow.
Can
Let's
we
start,
take, ma'am? Do we have to
Yes.
take watercolors or poster colors?
If you have watercolors with you right now, we can use watercolors. It'll be the same thing. Don't worry. Okay.
But I don't have lemon yellow.
Yes,
Very
Ali,
nice.
you have to use the brush.
Like this.
We'll observe Aparna ma'am and then we'll see.
Aparna, ma'am. Look,
Okay,
my-
Umaima. Okay, you have poster colors with you.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
if you can quickly get the poster colors, bring them. Okay, quickly. Okay, I will show it to you again. Okay, so now everybody has to mute themselves. Okay, so that I can
Ma'am,
talk.
lemon yellow.
Yes, lemon yellow. Okay, so everybody mute and now listen to me. So we are going to start our magic. I'm going to take some lemon yellow in my brush. First, what I did, I wet my brush in the water and I dipped it in the yellow color. Can you all see me? I'm going to paint my flower now.
Your voice is breaking.
What happened, Mustafa?
Okay, just give me 2 minutes. I will come to you, okay? So I have painted my flower yellow. Can you see that? It's a yellow flower.
Two yellow.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please do. Everybody has to do only yellow, okay? Because we are going to learn some magic tricks here. So everybody will do yellow color.
Only
Lemon
use
yellow
yellow
color.
color.
Doing with my paint.
Yeah, with your paint. Which paint you have?
I have this one paint.
Okay, so you can use this paint. That is watercolor. You can use it.
It goes out, so. Ma'am, if it goes out, so what can we do?
No problem, no problem. Don't worry about that. If it goes out, it's okay.
Yes, Manha.
How to draw leaf?
Yeah, we have to draw leaf also.
How to draw?
How to draw? Okay, okay. So I'm going to make one line like this. Then I'm going to make one semicircle like this. And another semicircle like this. My leaf is ready.
Whoever has finished coloring, they can start showing us the drawing, okay? Oh, Aparna ma'am, can you see Harshil? He's done.
Yes, very good, Harshil. Very neat.
Umar is also done. Yes, Musfira, what are you saying?
Ma'am, see mine.
Very good, Umar. That's good. That's good. Lovely.
But some color go in the
Musfira, your voice is breaking. I can't hear you.
No
Musfira.
problem. Umar, it's okay. No problem. We'll color the circle with different color. It will not show.
Umaima,
Yes,
very good.
Umaima. Very good. Yes, very good.
Do we have to close the yellow?
Yes, maybe Umaima, you need to close the bottle.
Yes, close the color. Yes.
Khatija, are you doing it, Khatija?
Ma'am, see my.
Okay, Khatija, go ahead.
Yes, Mana. You can use those watercolors.
Ma'am, see my.
Ah, very
Khatija,
nice,
very good.
Musfira.
Yes, Musfira, very nice.
Lemon yellow, na?
Yes, lemon yellow.
Zainab is also done. Very nice.
Ma'am,
Zainab.
which color?
Wait,
Lemon yellow.
Ali,
One
wait.
second, let me see. Zainab?
Many flowers.
Yes, that's lovely, Zainab. Very nice.
Many flowers we have to make.
You just have to make one flower, one leaf, and later we'll make one butterfly. But we have to finish this quickly, otherwise we won't have time to make butterfly, okay?
Something.
So is everybody done?
Yes.
Mustafa?
Jaldi don't. Yes, I am done, ma'am.
Okay, great. So let's go ahead. Now we are going to do magic. Mana, are you ready? You done? Okay, so you do it. I'll help you. Okay, don't worry. I'll just show the others. I'll come back to you.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking. Yes, your voice is breaking.
Is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so
Yes,
now
now it's
I'm going to, yeah. So now everybody remove your poster red color or crimson, whichever you have, whichever red color you have.
I have this red color.
Okay.
I
Okay,
have two
Khatija.
red colors.
Ma'am, I have
Which one
this
should I take,
red.
ma'am?
I have
You
this
can
red
take the
color.
poster.
Red poster.
Ma'am,
Umaima, crimson,
color?
crimson. Crimson red.
Ma'am, poster color?
Yes,
Yes, you can
Ma'am,
use
which is
poster.
crimson?
I have red
Red.
poster
I
color,
take
ma'am.
poster color only.
Okay, good. So you can take
Ma'am, which
any
color?
red, whichever is available. You can take a
Which
red
color?
color now, okay?
Umaima,
Red.
you can take any color, any
Omar,
red color.
Omar, yeah, red color. Whether it is crimson or poster, it's okay. Whichever you have, take it.
like.
No, not vermilion. You have to take the other red color.
Poster red.
You have to take
Poster red?
poster red. Yes,
Okay.
poster red. Okay. So now I'm going to use my poster
Ma'am?
red color.
Ma'am,
Yes.
see,
Just a moment. Who's
Yes,
speaking?
Umar.
poster red.
Umar.
Yes, Umar,
Yes,
you can
poster
use
red is
this.
good. Right.
Poster red.
Now let's use the poster red color. So I'm going to dip my brush in the water again, and I'm going to take some red color. And this time I'm not going to take too much red color. I'm going to take little red color. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to say abracadabra. Here we go. And I'm going to paint on my yellow color. So please use little red color, not too much. And everybody has to say abracadabra. Here we go.
What you say?
Yeah.
Abracadabra, here we go.
Abracadabra is a word for magic.
Just use
Yay.
red color very little. Not too much.
And what did I get here? Can you? Yes, Mana, I'm coming to you. Hold on.
Yes,
Okay,
Musfira.
Musfira, hold on. I'm coming to you.
Aparna ma'am, what color we got?
Yes, now, come on. Tell me which color have we got here? What magic did we do?
Orange.
Yay. So what did we mix to get orange color?
Red and yellow. Red and yellow.
Yellow. And we got a magic. And what is the magic? We got orange color. So the fairy is going to be doing this magic in a magic land. She's going to keep changing the color of her flowers. So from yellow to red to we got a orange color.
Ah.
Now
Yes,
what do you have
Musfira,
to
now
do?
tell me.
Mama, show your flower. Did you get orange color, Umaima?
Yes.
Wow,
No,
that's
I
good.
didn't
Yes.
got orange.
Because
Ma'am,
Okay, you have.
Ma'am, did you have to take a earbud too?
what
Sorry,
you said,
who is-
Mustafa?
Do you have to take a earbud too?
No, you don't need. A brush is enough. Paint brush is enough. Umaima, see what we'll do again is on that same red color, you apply yellow color, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't use red color too much.
Don't use too much of red color, okay?
But I can see only
Very
orange
little.
and some orange.
Yeah.
Okay. Show your drawing, Ali. Quickly, show your painting.
This color.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Hashir is
Mama.
showing.
Yes. Yes, just a moment. Yes,
Hashir is showing.
Hashir. Okay, you've got a light orange color. That's good. That's good. Hashir has got a perfect light orange color.
Ma'am, can you see Ali's painting?
Yes, Ali. That's nice. See, you got an orange color there. But I did not ask you to paint the leaves. Ali, you are not supposed to paint the leaves. Yes, Manha?
Umema.
Aima.
Yeah, just a moment. Yes,
Aima, did you
Umaima,
get
now
orange color?
Yes.
Okay, good.
very good. So if you want a lighter orange color, what you can do is apply some yellow again on your flower. You will get a lighter shade of orange, okay?
What is this, Manha? What are you showing us?
What color?
Yes, you
You
have to
have to
apply.
take a yellow. Yeah. You can explain, Shazia ma'am.
Yeah, Manha, show me your drawing. What you have done till now. Please, can you show it to me? Yes, Manha, you have done very well. Manha, now you have to apply little red.
The poster color name?
Just little red, not much, Manha. Okay?
Ma'am, what is
And
the
you can-
poster color name?
Camel
Yes,
poster
Manha.
colors.
Yes, Manha.
Yes, Manna.
Okay. What?
Camel poster colors.
Camel.
So you have to use a lemon yellow first. And then on top of that, you have to apply.
If
I can see.
Aparna ma'am, Muskara is saying that she does not have lemon yellow. So can she use some
You
other
can
color?
use. Yes, you can use the other yellow. Musfira, you can use the other yellow that you have.
So maybe she is saying that she has finished all the yellows.
Okay, so now we can do another magic. You have a white and red? Do you have a white and red, Musfira?
Mama, Patel. Mama,
Yes, Umaima, it's good, Umaima.
Yellow. I only have strong yellow, medium hue, and
Yes,
lemon
Umaima.
yellow.
Umar, use any yellow at least. Use any one. Choose any one, whichever you like. Yes, Musfira.
Yes, Isra, okay, she is Musfira.
Yeah, she is Musfira Sayyed. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, great. So you can use that. That is a red color, right? Use it.
Mustafa, show me your painting, Mustafa and Musfira Rizwani. Zainab, quickly, so that we can move ahead. Are you done?
Ma'am,
Okay.
I've done my painting for a
Very
long
good.
time.
Since long time, it's okay. Okay, Mustafa.
So now,
We'll
We
move
can
ahead.
draw with the color pencil
now
also. We can
no,
draw
you
with the...
have to use
No, no,
I
Ali.
accidentally used a chrome yellow. I didn't saw
no,
that
chrome,
there.
chrome
I didn't saw
fine.
that
No
the
problem.
lemon yellow is there. But
No problem.
I opened
Use
the
the
lemon. Then I opened the lemon yellow. Then it was all dry. So I put the
Sumar, yes. On top of yellow, you have to use little red. So that
red, okay?
top of red, we have to use yellow.
yes. If you didn't get the orange color, then use yellow. Otherwise, you can just wait if you are done.
Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead with the leaf. Okay. You have all understood the flower. So now the leaf, I'm going to again make magic. I'm going to bring green color without using a green color. Okay. So I'm going to use a yellow. Again, you can use whichever yellow you have. Don't worry. Okay. I'm going to use a yellow.
Yellow plus blue yellow plus blue is green.
And then again the magic, I'm going to use a blue color. On top of the yellow, I will use blue. When I use blue color, see what I get here. Okay, so I did not use green color for the leaves, did I? I used yellow and blue and I got a green. So again, I did some magic. Yeah, abracadabra, here we go. And I get my green color. Yeah, abracadabra. Everybody wants to take dark blue. You can take light blue. You can take dark also. Light blue and dark blue. You can use any blue color. Use it with a yellow. Okay. See, I have used lemon yellow and cobalt blue. So the what we are learning here is
dark blue.
I use light blue. I use the cobalt blue. And if you want a little darker leaf, you can add a little more blue to it. So you will get a dark green shade.
Ma'am, I added Persian blue, so it became dark blue. So I added a little more chrome yellow.
Very good. Superb. Okay, so we got our leaf and we got our flower. Now I'm going to keep all the colors back and just keep, I'm going to keep crimson and blue. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
red and blue. The orange, then what color we have to put?
First we have to put orange. You're talking about the flower, Umar?
Yes, that one.
Yellow and red.
A leaf color.
Yes.
I done leaf color.
You've done leaf color. Means?
Ma'am,
Yes, to my tell. Very good. Excellent. Okay, so now shall we go ahead?
Yes.
Okay, everybody is ready. Can everybody just show me their drawings? Yes, Mana. Now for the leaf, you have to use a yellow and blue color. First you apply the yellow, then you
And
use
now
blue.
what true color we need to take? First what you have to put
Mana.
first color of
Okay.
the leaf? What you have to put?
Hold on. Yellow and blue.
First color.
First color yellow, and then you have to put blue color on top of that.
In the leaf.
Okay.
On
Okay.
the leaf,
So
ma'am?
you mix. Yes, on the leaf. On the leaf, first yellow and then blue. So we'll get a green color. That's good. That's lovely.
I tried this one. It make a
Good.
green.
Very nice. Yes, that's good.
I already did this green. I did
I
again.
know. Very good. So you did it again. So that's good.
Ma'am, water is orange color.
No problem. That's okay. You can just wipe your brush with a cloth. So the color will go away. Okay. Now what I'm going to make.
Ma'am, I have in my palette.
Okay. I'm going to make one butterfly here. So I'm going to make a circle and just a small S, something like this for the butterfly body. And then I'm going to, okay?
Ma'am, I can make a different butterfly.
You can make a different butterfly. You can go ahead and make whichever butterfly you like.
We can make a two pump.
Yes, you can do
Can
that.
everyone see Aparna ma'am's butterfly?
I also make.
See,
Yeah.
don't make it too small. Make it slightly bigger so that we can apply color nicely over it. Okay.
Okay.
That's
Umayma
nice.
is already done.
Very nice, Umayma. Very nice.
But I make it too small. But it is like this.
Zainab is also showing. Zainab,
Very
show
good,
the
Zainab.
color.
After orange, we have to put dark blue or light blue. Can I do?
What?
You can use light blue. You can use light blue.
Light blue. We can do color pencil.
No, you cannot do color pencil.
We are only using watercolors today. Poster
Watercolors or poster colors. Yeah. Okay. So now after we did this butterfly, everybody ready for another magic? I'm going to use crimson color. Crimson or red, whichever you want, you can use. Okay.
Any red?
Yes, any red.
I'm going to dip my brush in the red color and I'm going to paint my butterfly.
Ma'am, I know another way to color my butterfly. Ma'am, this is a butterfly, not that I want my
Yes.
butterfly to be very.
Okay, you can use your way, but use red color first, okay?
I'm
color
using
should be
first
the
red
same.
color only.
Good. So go ahead
Ma'am,
and show
anywhere
me.
we can make a butterfly.
Yes, anywhere you can make a butterfly.
Wow, heart. Ma'am, heart.
Yeah, it's a heart shape.
You have to do the wings of the whole butterfly.
You can do the entire butterfly. I mean the wings, the entire wings of the butterfly. Okay, the body we will make it black later on.
Why am I?
So here I
Yes,
have
Ali.
painted my butterfly red. Yes. Is anybody showing me?
Who's done? Who's done with the wings of butterfly?
Butterfly everywhere.
What, Khatija? What did you say? Please repeat.
Can we make butterfly
Yes, you can make a lot of butterflies, but first we will paint one and keep it ready, okay?
We make millions of butterflies.
Yes,
Yes,
later on we can do it. Khatija,
We
show
will
me
be
your
making a
painting.
lot of butterflies.
Show me your painting, Khatija. Musfira Rizwani is done, ma'am.
Mama Patel.
Aima
Yes,
Patel is
just a
also
minute.
done.
Very good, Musfira. Very nice. Yes, Umaima, just a minute. I'm coming to you. Yes, Umaima, very nice. Good.
Show me your painting. Mustafa,
1 minute.
Musfira Sayed. Quickly show me your painting.
Ma'am, can we do the magic?
Yes, we'll do the magic. Just wait for a minute. Let's
Zainab,
wait for
show me your
others.
painting, Zainab. And Zainab, why your screen is so dark? Manha, even can you switch on the light? Oh, no. It's already on. Okay. No, Manha, it's all right. It's all right. You're clear, Manha. Who else is done? Ashim, are you done? Ali, are you done?
Just make something.
Wow, ma'am, can you see Zainab's
Can I
painting?
Yeah, just a moment. Yes, Zaina, very nice. Wow, that's
Please.
lovely. Perfect heart. Okay, so now I'm going to apply. Now I'm going to apply a blue color on my red color. So again, please don't use too much blue. Use little blue, okay?
Ma'am,
Not too
you
much.
use Christmas color?
Crimson, yes.
Yes.
I have used crimson.
Ma'am, see.
Yes.
It is Ma'am,
Yes. Can you show me your drawing?
it's already pink. It is
Show me. Can you show it to me, please?
It is making a pink, but my red color is pink.
Ali, show the painting. Ali, show the painting to Aparna, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Show me your painting.
we make a line of the flower.
Later on,
What
Musfira.
make it at the end?
Want to do?
Later
We'll
on,
make it in the
Musfira
end.
will make it later on. Ma'am, can you see
Okay,
Ali's
so
painting?
yes, Ali. So now after using the red, you've already used blue on it.
I think so.
We are going to use blue. Yeah, I think yes.
But it
Okay,
is
that's good.
pink.
Ali, you have to
Not
wait
pink,
for
it's purple.
Ali. You have to wait for Aparna's ma'am instruction. Okay? You can't go ahead of Aparna, ma'am.
So now I'm going to use a blue color on my red.
Which color now, ma'am?
Or blue color.
Blue color. And I'm going to get
Purple color. Yes.
which color do I get
Purple.
here?
Purple.
Yay. So I've got a purple color. So see, I haven't used orange, I haven't used green, and I haven't used purple. But I'm getting all these.
Ma'am,
Zainab, it's purple.
Ma'am, light blue or dark blue?
You can use light blue.
But I use dark blue.
Okay.
Zainab, start painting, Zainab.
I already paint.
You painted already? Show me your painting then.
Ye color, ye purple.
Wow,
that's
lovely,
nice.
Zainab. Very nice.
Ye dark blue hai?
You can use dark blue, you can use light blue. You have to,
Show me your painting.
dark blue.
yes, you can use dark blue. Use dark blue. Don't use too much of dark blue. Okay, use little dark blue.
Mama.
Umaima, very
Yes,
nice,
Umaima.
Umaima.
Very nice. That's good. Lovely.
See my.
Manha, you need to color your butterfly.
Yes. Mana, that's good. That's good. Oman, yes. Show me. I can't see your entire thing. Yes. Just
But we
lift it
cannot
up
see
little
butterfly.
bit.
Yes.
Yes, perfect. The color is perfect. Good. Very nice.
Antenna.
Wait,
Yes.
Ali. You have to wait for Aparna, ma'am.
Ali, don't run ahead. Wait for me.
To take the
Okay. Okay, you can do that. Yes, you can. So now, one more color I'm going to show you all. So here now I will need is orange color.
Yes, Mustafa. We can't see you.
And do we have to draw a flower?
No, you don't have to draw flower. You have to draw a butterfly, na? Flower
Again,
is
one more
already done.
butterfly.
No, that's it. That's it. Now, if you want, either you can draw a
My drawing is a little like
just a minute,
this.
Musfira.
Yes, Mustafa. Please
Yes,
show your
Musfira.
painting.
Ma'am, if you want to draw, so what the butterfly so ma'am?
You can draw a flower.
Ma'am, Aparna, ma'am, can you see Mustafa's painting?
Yes, Mustafa, yes.
I
Okay,
didn't
where
draw
is
the
your
butterfly too.
butterfly?
It's
You
right
didn't draw the
here.
butterfly?
No, he
Okay,
has.
I did draw the
you
butterfly.
have,
Here.
yeah, but you had to use a, yeah.
Which colors
So
do we want
you have
for
to
the
use,
other?
for the butterfly, you had to use a red and blue color, Mustafa. Red and blue.
I used it for the lower wing.
Yeah, okay. But that's looking nice. You have a two-colored butterfly. It's good. Okay, so now I'm going to show you one more shade. I'm going to use this flower of mine. Okay? I'm going to use a crimson color on this.
Crimson?
Okay, first I'm going to crimson.
Crimson red and
Yes. Okay, first I'm going to use white. I won't use crimson first. I'll use white. You must always use a lighter shade first. Okay? So I'm going to use
this white.
yes, whichever white you have. Okay, if you have a flower, it's good. Otherwise, you can just make one more circle quickly. Okay, I have painted my flower white. And again, I'm going to say abracadabra and use a crimson color. And which color do I get here?
Crimson light.
It's a pink color. Yeah, it's a pink color.
Wow.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So
what
white,
did you use after white?
I use
Crimson
crimson
red.
color.
Musfira, Syed, you're not drawing, Musfira?
I'm very tired to draw. That's why I put the things away.
Okay. Later on, you can complete. Okay, you're tired now. It's okay, Musfira. Later on, you can see the recording and do it. Okay, Musfira?
YouTube.
Okay, yes, on
Yeah.
YouTube.
Okay. Now is everybody done?
No.
Okay, continue.
Ali, show me your
I'm
drawing,
also
Ali.
not done.
Okay, okay. Do it, do it. Hashir? Who is she, Hashir? What's her name? She's a sister, Hashir?
Yes.
Yes, what's her name?
Extra.
Isra.
Yeah.
Okay, Hashir, okay. Did you finish coloring, Hashir?
Yes.
Okay. Show me your painting, Hashir, then, if you're done. Aparna ma'am, can you see? Oh,
Yeah, that's lovely. So on the white flower, you have to use crimson red color. That's nice. Hashir,
good,
very
Hashir,
good.
good. Who else is done? Khatija, are you done? Show me your painting, Khatija. You have not shown me yet. Khatija, I can't show you.
Colors. Then I cannot show it or else it will. Ma'am,
Okay, okay.
my water is this color, light pink color.
Okay. Umar,
Yes.
have you done your pink flower?
Yes.
Lovely. Very nice. Good. So, Shazia ma'am, we have some more time.
Now what we will do?
So now what we are going to do is one last color that we are going to make. We will use a poster red color. Shazia ma'am,
Okay. Ma'am, see.
very nice, Mira. Very nice, lovely. Okay. Hashir, how sweet. Your sister is so cute.
Yes.
Remove this so that even I can hear, okay?
You know what happened with me?
What happened?
Today I like this.
Sorry.
And now what we will do with me in like this. And now what we will do? I am.
Okay. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are taking a crimson red color and we are going to put it in the center of the flower, the circle that we made. We had left it blank, right? So we put crimson red color in the middle, or poster red, whichever red, in the middle of the flower.
I don't know.
Both the flowers I'm going to put. Okay?
What? What? We want to take red color.
Yes, you can take red color and apply in the center of the flower. Okay? And now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use black. But I'm going to use very, very less black. Very less, just a little on the tip of my brush.
Nice.
And that's enough. Okay? So little black color. So don't take too much. Take very little. And apply it on the red color. And which color did we get here?
Ma'am, after crimson, what we have to put?
Very little black. Very, very little black color.
Black.
It
became grey. It became grey.
It became what? It is a brown color. Right? Can you see the brown color? So if you don't say abracadabra, you won't get that brown color. So first say abracadabra, and here we go. And then you will get a brown color. Okay. And now last. Just see what I'm doing. Okay. You can complete it later. I'm just using a black ball pen or a sketch pen. You can use your sketch pen, and I'm going to highlight my leaf.
I have one more.
You have to use red color and then very little black color. Okay? Yes, very little, just a small drop on your brush. And the flower also, I'm going to
Wow. Ma'am, time is up.
see. So now my flower has also become complete. Yes. Then the stem also I'm going to color in the same way. I can use a yellow and a blue color to make green. Okay. And same with the butterfly. If you want to color the body of the butterfly with some color, you can do that.
Ma'am, see my
Who is speaking?
Musra Ismani.
Very nice, Musfira. Nice. Good.
Then what we want to do?
So now what I did, I used a black sketch pen. I used a ball pen. You can use a sketch pen. Once your colors are completely dry, they should not be wet at all.
Okay, we want to do outline.
Yes, you can do the outline. So your flower will look complete. And I can make eyes and a smile for my butterfly.
I can do with sketch pen.
Yes, you can do with sketch pen, but be careful, your paint has to be dry, completely dry.
Aparna ma'am, can we use ball pen?
Yes, I've been using ball pen only. You can use a ball pen or a gel pen, or even your black pencil color you can use. Okay, so today we learned mixing of how many different colors? We mixed yellow plus red to get orange, right? Then we mixed blue plus red to get a purple.
Oh, no. This is really black color.
White plus red to get pink. And yellow plus blue to get a green.
Yes, ma'am, I can see brown.
Yes, and brown, correct. Thank you. So we mixed a little red plus very, very little black to get a brown.
Aparna ma'am, can you see Zainab's screen?
The pink one.
Yes, just a minute. I'll come to Zainab. Yes, Zainab. Very nice. Who else is showing me?
Umayma, are you done, Umayma?
Khadija,
Yes, ma'am.
have you completed? Very good, Umayma. Lovely.
Can you tell me one more?
One more what? Color mixing.
Yes. For a leaf.
For leaf you have to use yellow and blue.
Umayma, can you write down the colors also which you have mixed?
Okay.
Can you see? I have written all the colors. Blue and red to make purple. Yellow and red to make orange. Yellow and blue to make a green. White and red to make a pink. And red and black to make a brown. You can even mix red with a little green to make a brown.
Rizwani is done. Musfira, Rizwani, you were showing us the painting, right? Show us the painting, Aparna ma'am. Show the painting. Aparna ma'am, can you see Musfira?
Lovely, very nice. Yes, yes. Nice, Musfira, good.
I do outline.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay.
Hello, Aparna ma'am.
Hi, Shabana ma'am.
We have so many magicians out here. Oh my goodness, what are they doing, all of them?
Yeah, they created magic
They're having
here.
fun.
Yeah, Shazia, wow. I didn't know Curies had magic. Wow, wow, wow. So now
See my ma'am.
Yes, yes. Yes, Umar, very nice.
Umar, Professor, wow. Excellent. So now they learned a magic. They'll be able to go to fairyland, Aparna ma'am.
Yeah, the next class we are going to go to the fairyland.
I will go to Harry Potter school. Hogwarts.
Yes, yes, we'll do that as well.
To learn some, not magic.
Magic.
So what word did you say to make these colors?
We can do decoration. School to learn magic.
Yes,
Okay.
you can do decoration. You can now do whatever you like with your painting, okay?
I'll not go to
You can
fairyland.
make some butterflies, you can make some flowers.
Yes, it's almost
Yes,
done, Musfira.
yes, Musfira.
If you want Musfira, you can leave Musfira.
Okay.
So you'll go to Harry Potter. So will you be Hermione or Harry Potter, or will you be Ron or Slytherin? Which? What are you going to be? Tell me.
Kumar,
I'll
I will go to Hogwarts.
I'll be Malfoy. The bad evil
The
guy,
naughtiest
okay?
one.
Okay. And we can leave.
Yeah.
Musfira, are you done?
Bye.
Oh yes, you look like
done,
Harry
right?
as well.
I will be Harry.
Yeah, you look like
Mana,
Harry
have you
Potter.
finished? Mana, have you finished? Very good.
I finished.
Wow, Zaina. I like what you did, Zenny.
Zainab,
Mana, you want any help?
Zainab will not be able to hear because I have the headphone. Okay.
Just tell her I loved her painting. Very nice.
Shabana
And I like.
said she loves your painting.
Mana, Mana, you want something?
I didn't have ball pen or.
Okay. So, okay, no problem. So you can complete it later. Okay?
Okay, everyone. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye, Shabana.
Bye.
Oh, you don't say bye. What do you say? Abracadabra.
Abracadabra.
Here we
Here
go.
we go.
Bye bye.